Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at one of the past paper for 2018 October/November exam. The diagram below is the first time of a rectangular pyramid with a base of 14 centimeters long and 10 centimeters width. Then the top of the first term is 8 centimeters long and 4 centimeters width. And base it is 14 centimeters long, 10 centimeters width, and the top of the first term we have 8 centimeters long, 4 centimeters width. So here the most important thing is you must find the biggest height and the smallest height. So by finding the smallest height, then the first term it was like this one, like this one. Let's take it a simple way. The first term it will be like this one. So this is a missing part. So let's draw this one now. So this one it will be in this way. In this way. Here we have x, then here we have been given 11.4 centimeters because we asked to find the volume if the height which was given, the height was 11.4 centimeters. Then let's find the volume now. By finding the volume, first of all, we have to find the smallest height and the big height in which we are going to make proportional. Then it will be height minus the height which we have been given here, 11.4 centimeters is direct to this h here, is direct to h. Then here we have been given that it is 14 centimeters, here 10 centimeters, here it is 8 centimeters, and here it is 4 centimeters. So we have to get this proportion here. Then it will be 8 is direct to 14. 8 same as, because this one is the length and this one is also length. So let's cross multiply now here. Let's cross multiply. Then here we are going to have 8h equals 14 multiplied by h minus 11.4 centimeters, the bracket. Then h equals 14 times h, which is we are going to have 14 h minus 14 times 11.4 centimeters, we are going to have 159.6 here. We're going to have 0.6. Then let's take this one as the subject of the formula. Then it will be 14h minus 15.9.6 is equals to 8h. Then let's correct the right term. Then it will be 14h minus 8h, which is equals to, then this one when it crosses the equal sign it will be positive because here there is negative, so it will be plus 159.6 centimeters. Then 14 minus 8, we are going to have 6h, which is equals to 159.6 centimeters. Then we divide both sides by 6 by 6. Then here we are going to have h equals 159.6 divided by 6. We are going to have 26.6. So now this is a biggest height from here to here. Then let's subtract now for small height. We are going to have 26.6 minus the height which we have been given in the previous, which is 11.4 centimeters. Then the total answer, it will be 15.2 centimeters as a small height. So let's take a note of this. So this is our height which we have here. So let's write down the formula now. We are asked to find the volume of the cluster of the pyramid. They need to be volume equals 1/3 open L times B times H minus small l, small b, small h close, which is equals to 1/3 open the big L, it is 14 centimeters multiplied by big B, we have 10 multiplied by the biggest height we have, it is 26.6, then close minus small l, this is the small l which is on top, then it is 8 centimeters multiplied by small base, it is multiplied by 4 multiplied by the smallest height, it is 15.2. This is our smallest height. 14 times 10 times 26.6, we're going to have 37.24 minus when you multiply also here 8 times 4 times 15.2, then we are going to have here we have 486.4. Then let's subtract from 337.24. Then we have 1/3 open, we have 37.6. So let's divide this number with the 3. So if you divide by 3, we are going to remain with 9.2 cubic centimeters, because this is a volume. So we have found the volume of frustum.